Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve the Microsoft Store error code 0x80073D12. This says install the app or games. Before you can install this add-on, you need to install the app or games it works with. I recommend to check first thing, make sure your game installed properly on your computer before attempting to install an expansion pack. The game you installed having issue with, consider uninstalling and reinstalling it, guys. Also, you want to check your hard drive space. Make sure you have a storage space available in hard drive. Also, so make sure internet access to it. Also make sure date and time settings are correct. These are the steps to get rid of this error, guys. Also, you can also reset the Microsoft Store. Let's fix that issue, guys. Let's jump straight into it. Go to search menu and type ws reset. This will opens up run command. We just want to open it. This will help you to reset the Microsoft Store, and hopefully this can able to resolve your problem, guys. That's it for today's video. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful, guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.